Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're scratching in my account KidDeco123, and this project I updated again, and it's called Enemy Smash Impossible equals version. So the upgrade I added, which is bats, 2 bats, is make it impossible. So their code is the same except their glide seconds. So in green flag click, switch costume to bat 1. So there's 2 costumes. The first one is going one side, the other one is going the other side. So it's like turning. So hide and go to its starting position. Then when I receive next level, so when you like press this button to start the game, it will show and forever. Glide 1 second to another position, so it's like glide, move, be an obstacle.
You try to not touch the bat.
Yeah, the next costume and glide back to the starting position and forever do that. And when I receive die, that means if you touch the bat or the border, like this
so
on the thumbnail, yeah, it will stop other scripts and spray. Because you don't want the bat move, and then hide. When green flag clicks, it will forever. If touching player, which is like the arrow, sword, or the thing you decide to hit the head with, it will broadcast die. So in the bat, it gliding 2 seconds and gliding 3 seconds, and it's different positions. So in the head, I added the zombie head, skeleton head, and the Enderman head, and I changed the creeper head. So I still have the old creeper head in the thumbnail because it looks fancier. So in the head, in the code over here, I have a new variable called which head, and it will choose pick random from 1 to 4, so it will pick random like which head. So 1 equals Enderman, 2 equals skeleton, 3 equals zombie, and 4 equals creeper. So in the backdrop, I also changed the picture. So this is Steve running away from a spider, Enderman, 2 zombies, 1 skeleton, and a creeper. And I did add a spider head because I didn't really see it at first. It's very dark. So I also changed it, music. I changed it to your door was locked. So let's play. I'll go first.
Let's do one shot.
Yeah. I'm gonna do sword. Ooh. Aww. Second try. I think the arrow is the best because this is smallest. Still, okay, TNT is the hardest, I guess. Yeah, baddest. Oh,
most balls you can
yeah. Ooh, okay, your turn. What will you choose? I always have a good feeling about the potion. It's edges. It's the bad thing of it. You are hitting a zombie.
There's a big space. Well, now okay, let's hear.
Potion.
Okay.
Oh yes, let's go. Potion, it's good. I always have a good feeling of the potion.
Oh, I finished the level right there.
You touch the back right when and before. So it's kind of loud. Okay. Potion. I've always sometimes you need to be patient. Okay. Because I really want to complete that level. Yeah. Yes. Go wait. Yeah, that's so cool. You just need to follow. Oh, one more track. Yeah. Yes. At the last one, I'm always very sweaty. Like, oh, I almost touched it. Ooh. Yes. Do you think I'm gonna complete this? Really? I only have 2 more shots. 1 more shot. Oh, I'm so sweaty. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna go on. Yes! Yes! Creeper head. I did that on purpose. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.